Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Hey YouTube, what's up? This is your boy Ray Mac. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a candy rib challenge, and this challenge was created by my man Kirby with Cooking with Kirby. I want you guys to go over to please check out what he cooked, and I'm also leaving a link below to his challenge. And I'm also going to tag 2 people who I think will be good participants in this here video. Let's get started. Peace. Hey YouTube, what's up? This is your boy Ray Mac. I got here 2 spare ribs that I pretty much trimmed and everything else, and I'm gonna show you how the trimmings came out, okay? But on this spare rib, I took the membrane off of this one, and on this one I left the membrane on. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season these up for you real quick, all right? All right, so what I got here is that seasoning that you guys seen me put on that quarter hog. And if you want to know where you can get this seasoning at, just go back to that video where I did the collaboration with Southern Smoke Boss, and there you could definitely see what I'm using here. So, and then I'm going to put some on this one. I'll be using another seasoning on top of this. This is some good stuff right here. Alright, get that all on there. Now what I'm going to end up using here is just my basic little house rub. That's all that is. And they say you don't rub your meat, but I'm going to rub this. Alright, even though that this has the membrane on it, I'm still putting it on that, and this one don't have the membrane. And I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna wrap this one up in foil first and put this on the grill. And I seen my man Lyle from No Hippie BBQ where he did an experiment, and he put he boiled the ribs first and then put it on the grill. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna put it in aluminum foil first for this rib. And I'm gonna also put in, you know, some brown sugar on that too, and some butter. And then I'm gonna take it out. I'll probably leave it on the grill for at least around about a good hour, and then take it out of the aluminum foil and let it cook throughout the whole process. I want to see how that one turned out, and I'll tell you about the trimmings of each rib later. Like I said, I got this one St. Louis cut, and this one here I just trimmed it up and I left the cartilage along with the meat on the rib. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and season up the other side of these meats, and then from there I'm gonna show you guys exactly what these trimmings look like. When I trimmed up the meat, this is pretty much all that I got. Like I say, from 2 ribs, these are the 2 little bones that you would get from a whole rack of ribs. But then again, this is all the, you know, trimming of the fat off of both ribs. Alright, now let me show you what I got off of the ribs, what I kept from the trimmings. Alright, these are the trimmings from the rib. I got the 2, well, the end pieces from the ribs right here. and these are the end pieces, and then these are the skirts. And from them bones that you seen, I took some tenderloin pieces off of them. This is what's on those bones. So you guys are throwing away bones, but you can still get a nice strip of meat off of that. And this is what I call pork niblets. Alright, so you could definitely put these on the grill and let these soak into some barbecue sauce, and you can have your way with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season these up, and I'm gonna get these pretty much put on the grill too. While the ribs are cooking, these are finished up before the ribs, and I'm gonna go ahead and snack on these. Okay, y'all, we're about to make us some basting sauce for this here. So right now I got in 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add 2 cups of vinegar. Add in some Worcestershire sauce. Some hot sauce, you can use whatever type you like. Some chili powder. Some ground paprika, black pepper, some coarse salt. I use some kosher. Along with some brown sugar. just a little bit more black pepper. We're gonna give this a mix. Just let this heat on the stove for at least around about 15 minutes. And then we'll be basting our ribs with this. And just put a cover on top. We're gonna go ahead and get this rib off of Lucy real quick and put it on the table. Alright, take this one, put that forward there. We're gonna put that back on the grill. Alright. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this. She good and tender. Place this right here. Now while we got this off, I want to baste this rack with the basting sauce right quick. Some of y'all might remember this recipe from a barbecue sauce. So I got some mustard in the pot. I call this Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. Then I got me some George's regular barbecue sauce. I dumped the whole bottle in that. Then I got me some one whole onion sliced up. And I just mix everything, let it heat up. Once it's ready to heat up, I can go ahead, man, and just baste these on the ribs. See, I never tried this on my ribs, so I'm using this Carolina Gold for the rib, for that rack of rib that I had in the foil. And I'm not going to put any sauce on that other rib. Put the cover on that. Alright y'all, I'm about to put some of this Carolina Gold on this here rib. As you can see, I tried tasting that piece. God knows. This is the one that was in the aluminum foil, and I put it on for an hour. Came out pretty daggone good. So I'm going to put some of this here sauce on it, put it back on the rack, and just let this sauce pretty much set. And I'm going to take it on off. So I'm going to give this a flip. Alright, ribs are looking fantastic. I put those pieces that I cut off of the rib in the fridge. I'm gonna fix those later on down the road. And y'all know what, man, I can't take it no longer. I gotta try that piece right there. I got to. It's only right. Alright, but I'm gonna put these back on the grill right now. Good damn rib. You want a piece of them rib, man? Grab you a piece before I put these mugs in this pan.
What's the matter right here, boy?
And that's a dry rib, that one.
You don't need all the sauce. A lot of times when I expect like grilled chicken, so I don't even put no sauce on.
Alright. Damn, that's good as hell. That damn grill is bad. Where you want to try one? Good, it's hot. It's
You get them ribs from food what?
Nah. Chocolate collard seeds. You know the mug originated from Harnett County. That area, bro. Good damn meat. The person who I would like to pick for this candy rib challenge is Heavy Metal Barbecue, and anyone else who would like to participate, period. Thank you so much for checking out this here video. If you want to participate in this video, all you have to do is just make your own barbecue sauce for your ribs. That's it, bottom line. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, check out these 2 videos while you are here and click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Peace.